You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to lock your Android screen while watching a YouTube video to prevent accidental touches. First, begin playing any video in the YouTube app. Next, you need to access the video in picture-in-picture mode. To do this, simply swipe up from the bottom of the screen to go to your home screen while the video is playing. The video should shrink into a small, movable player window. Now tap on this small floating video player once to reveal a small lock icon, usually in the top corner. Tap this lock icon. The screen will now be locked. You will see a message confirming the screen is locked and a dark overlay on the player. This means you can put your phone in your pocket or set it down without pausing the video or skipping ahead accidentally. To unlock the screen, just tap the floating player again and tap the unlocked icon. This is a perfect feature for listening to music, podcasts, or long videos without interruption. For more simple and practical tech tutorials, subscribe to the channel.